Okay. So what do you see my role being as helping you with this?
I'm not sure I understand.
Well, sometimes we just need someone to talk to, or we need a new perspective when we're stuck. And other times we actually have a solution in mind, but need a second opinion. I just want to make sure I'm giving you exactly what you're looking for.
I want us to be able to meet our deadlines with a minimum of stress. So, the goal I had in mind for this meeting is to have us walk away with a plan for our teams to be more collaborative on this issue. Does that sound okay?
But the ability to go out of process isn't a long-term solution. We still need to fix it, or we'll introduce new risks.
So let's say our first option is to fix our current process. What else can we do?
My quarterly objectives don't include any of this. It's a simple fact that people do what they're measured on.
I agree. So let's say realigning objectives is option 2.